How long should I cook a pre-cooked ham in the oven?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about the most efficient way to warm up your pre-cooked ham. Now, I know you might be thinking, it's pre-cooked, so why do I need to cook it? But, heating it properly will not only make it safe to eat but also enhance its flavors. Pre-cooked ham, when properly warmed, can be just as succulent and delicious as freshly cooked ham.
What is pre-cooked ham?
Let's start by understanding what pre-cooked ham is. It's a type of ham that has already been cooked before it's sold. You can eat it cold, but heating it up can enhance the flavors and make it more enjoyable. It's safe, convenient, and a great time saver for any occasion.
How long should I cook my pre-cooked ham?
The golden question. To warm a pre-cooked ham in the oven, you want to heat it at a low temperature to avoid drying it out. A good rule of thumb is to heat it for about 10 to 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if your ham weighs 5 pounds, it will need to be in the oven for approximately 50 to 75 minutes. The goal here is to achieve an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which you can check using a meat thermometer.
Any tips for cooking pre-cooked ham?
Yes, indeed. Here are some tips for making your pre-cooked ham even tastier. Firstly, consider adding a glaze or some kind of seasoning to your ham before you heat it up. This will not only add extra flavor but also help to keep the ham moist during heating. Also, make sure to cover the ham with foil while it's in the oven to prevent it from drying out. And that's it. Warming up your pre-cooked ham in the oven is as simple as setting the right temperature and timing. Remember, the key to a delicious ham is to heat it slowly and keep it moist. I hope this video has been helpful and makes your next ham preparation a breeze. Happy cooking!